Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you through transferring USDT from your external Web3 wallet, like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, to your Binance Exchange account. First, open your Binance app and go to your Spot wallet. Tap on Deposit. Search for USDT and select it. Make sure to select the network you will use for the withdrawal from your Web3 wallet, e.g., BEP20, ERC20, TRC20. Copy the deposit address. Next, open your Web3 wallet. Find your USDT balance and tap Send or Withdraw. Then, carefully paste the Binance deposit address you copied into the recipient address field. Double-check every character. Selecting the correct network is critical. If you send USDT on the wrong network, e.g., sending via ERC20 when Binance expects BEP20, your funds could be permanently lost. After that, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review the transaction fee, confirm all details are correct, and authorize the transaction. The transfer may take a few minutes to complete, depending on network congestion. You can track its status using the transaction hash, TXID. Always do a small test transfer first when moving large amounts. If this tutorial made your crypto transfer easy, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.